Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Tracy Bish. I'm an independent Stamp Out demonstrator in Central Victoria, Australia, and welcome to my second card in the Paper Pumpkin for June Bikes and Blooms. I love this kit. I think this is such a fun and bright and cheerful set of cards. It makes 3 each of 3 designs, or if you like to make alternatives, I'm making 1 each of the cards, and then I'm going to make some alternatives as well. So stick with my channel. If you haven't already subscribed, please do that. So card 2 is a pink based, and look how big that die cut is with that bike. So cool. It has an extra added brush with the flowers, so we've just stamped the flowers, and we've also stamped the sentiment piece in the best wishes. So this is a best wishes card, and we're going to add some butterflies and some more of that twine on this card. So let's add our dimensionals, and we're adding the dimensionals to all of our die cut pieces. There are no mini die cuts on this card today, and there's a fun thing that we're going to be doing with that twine. So this twine, we need 14 inches. Again, use that side measurement on your instructions form. We're doing a bow on that basket, and we're wrapping the bow around the basket. Now, honestly, I don't think that you need to do that. I think that's a waste of your twine. I am doing it here to show you how the cards are meant to be put together. But honestly, take a piece of the twine, create a nice little bow, and then just add it to your sentiment piece, and you are golden. You don't need to waste a whole heap of that twine. You can use it on other projects, you know, maybe some alternatives or some other projects later on. Save your supplies, don't waste them. Stampin' Up gives you more supplies in your kit than you need, but you know, you can use it on plenty of other cards. This is a great way of saving some of your supplies to make cards later on, especially if you're maybe a bit more conscious on what you spend on your craft supplies. This is the perfect way of making sure that you have a little bit left over for later on. So there we have, we've added that little bow there, and it's wrapped around that whole bicycle basket, but you really don't need to. Lots and lots of dimensionals on this. I love that Stampin' Up have given us plenty of dimensionals to pop down and keep all those pieces up. They are large die cuts, so you want to make sure that they're well supported. Honestly, that's one thing I will not scrimp on, is dimensionals, because you don't want your cards to sag, and they will if you don't put enough support in them. And that takes up most of the card, doesn't it? Like, it's so fun. We're also going to add just a few of, or 3 of those little brushed silver butterflies as well. And I love this card. I think this is such a cute card. I've got some ideas for this large die cut as well. So if you like alternatives to Paper Pumpkin kits, please subscribe to my channel and keep an eye out in what I'm creating. I'm also going to use that envelope that goes with this card and just do a quick stamping with that as well. So thank you so much for spending a bit of time with me today. I hope you've enjoyed today's card. If you have, please give me that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, share this video with your friends and family, and leave a comment as well. I love this, it's so pretty. Alright, I'll be back with card 3 really soon. Hope you can join me. Bye!